Are you okay, Mom?
Sure, I just sneezed.
Bless you.
Okay.
You're welcome. I can guarantee in the next 10 seconds you won't sneeze anymore. Let's begin the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That was a fake sneeze. 10 more seconds. You're not going to sneeze. I won't count. Out loud. You didn't sneeze. See, I told you I healed you. What did I tell you? I healed you. You didn't sneeze for more than 10 seconds. 20 seconds of not real sneezing. Well, now you
freeze to death.
How?
Because I'm cold.
We're indoors. There's heating inside. We're okay. We're okay. We'll be fine. Oh. I know.
Not nice.
No, it's not funny.